In the previous lesson, if you were following along, we created our own custom template. It was based on an existing template to save some time. But one thing we were able to do along the way was set it as the default template for that section, meaning every time we go to create a new page, it would automatically use our new custom template. Well, what if you want to do that with an existing template? You're not ready to create a new template, but you've got one that you're already using and you want to make it the default. That's what we're going to talk about in this lesson. And we're going to continue to use our stationary notebook that we've been using in this chapter. So if you've jumped to this lesson and you've got the exercise files, you can get all caught up by going to the Lesson 7 folder and opening up Stationery 3. So we left off here with revenue meetings. We created our own custom template and added a couple new pages. And sure enough, the default was applied to each of those new pages. Now let's go over to our staff meeting section. This has a different template in the background. It's more of a formal business background. And we want to make this the default for every time we create a new page. Right now, if I go over to add a new page, so let's say it's the next staff meeting, I click new page and you can see it's not using the same template. So I'm going to go down to my untitled page and right click on it. From the pop-up menu, I'm going to select delete to remove that page. And now I want it so that every time I add a new page, I get this same look and feel. It's great for continuity and consistency. So in this case, I'm going to go up to my Format menu because I need the task pane open with my templates. Click Templates right here from the Format menu, and it shows up over here on the right-hand side. There's the existing categories. There's the new category that was added in the previous lesson. As soon as we created our first custom template, my template shows up at the top. Now I do know that under the business category here, I was using this formal meeting notes template for what you see here on my first page under staff meetings. So keeping that in mind, I can now go a little bit further down where it says choose default template. There's a drop down here, and when I click that, I should be able to find formal meeting notes here. Going down the alphabetical list, there it is, formal meeting notes. And just after that, you can see it's from the business category. Perfect, that's the one I want. So when I click on that, it now appears here in the drop-down field as the default. So that means if I close up my templates task pane here and go to create a new page, I should see the identical page to what I have here in my staff meeting section. Sure enough, each time I hit new page, a new page is created, and they all look the same. And that's all there is to creating a default template for a section in one of your notebooks.